somebody's stealing something.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think that's why these repo guys get so much crap off of the customer. It's because they're like slipping up in your driveway, taking your stuff out of your driveway. It's dangerous. It's wow.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sorry, man. So how much was the car payment?
The car payment was about $584.
Mm-hmm. How much did you owe on the car?
It was about maybe $3 grand on it. I definitely went over maybe 100 days on it. Just
$3,000 is all you owed?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow. And what was the car worth?
From what my documents I'm looking at, I believe it in the range of about 20 grand or something like that.
Oh, so you had bought this car, almost paid it off, or put a bunch down. So what happened that you were not able to make the payment? Tell us what happened in your situation.
Really just, really negligence on me, and just, when I lost my job in November, which was my main means of, really the main means of employment that I could pay the bill, but I lost that job in November of 2023, and just from there just covering my other stuff, and and just really just neglecting the deal almost. I would say
How long ago did this happen?
It was they pulled it like a week or two ago.
Have you talked to them about paying it off and picking it up?
Yes, sir, I have. And they had told me that I would have to pay the full amount.
$3,000.
$3,000 plus, what's the car owed on the car, which was, I think the amount they told me was like $21 if I wanted to recover.
Oh, you're saying, so I see.
Oh, you didn't owe $3,000. You were behind $3,000.
Yes, sir.
I see.
Yes, I was behind $3,000.
But you owe 21.
In the car you were 20.
It was at like 18 before they added the fees and stuff.
Yeah, but you owe as much as it's worth.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Oh, man. Are you back to work? Are you doing anything? What are you driving in the last 2 weeks?
Nothing right now, because I didn't have anything pretty much saved up for another means.
Are you single?
I'm trying to. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you've been sitting at home for 2 weeks. How are you getting around?
Well, I've really just been applying for jobs, and if anything came up, I could like Uber or something like that at the moment. But
What are you doing for work? And what are you earning currently?
I was working at GameStop. That was like my last recent job, but I just recently wasn't even there anymore. I only was working for like 2 days a week, something like that.
By choice or because they didn't have the hours?
Just didn't have the hours. I would say I just came in on the job.
Okay, what about now?
Now I'm not working at all.
Listen, if I'm you, I do think that everybody kind of has an ideal work situation in their mind of something that they're shooting for, and sometimes you can hold off thinking, I'm just going to hold off until I get the job that I want. But in your case, you literally can't afford to do that for many reasons. Your self-confidence, and, you need cash. Like, there's many reasons to take any job until you get the job, and one of those things is self-confidence. The more you sit at home, the more you're going to feel some type of way about yourself and what you're able to accomplish. But if you go out and get any job and take the first job, number one, it puts a little money back in your pocket, gives you a little boost of feeling good about yourself.
Like, do you have a friend that works construction, Odell?
No, sir, not that I know. I have friends that work like with railroad companies and stuff like that, maybe.
Yeah. Call him and ask him if they'll put you on, and he can give you a ride to work for 2 weeks till you can get a check and get you a $1,000 car.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your car that got repoed, we'll circle back to that. It's the least of your problems right now. I'm more worried about you eating and paying rent, keeping the lights on, and getting your life back on track than I am that stupid car. It's kind of good that car's gone, because it was a real hanging over your head problem. So, look, I'll go ahead and give you the full answer on the car so you know what you're looking at, but let's focus 99% of your efforts on finding a ride to work and getting some kind of work going 50, 60, 70 hours a week right now. Go crazy, man, and make you some quick, easy money somewhere, just working like a maniac, and bum rides off of friends for 2 weeks and then go get you, or catch an Uber, whatever you got to do, but go get you $1,000 or $1,500 car and pay cash for it, okay? Is that a plan?
Yes, sir, that's definitely the plan.
Now, the other car, we're just going to let them have it.
Okay.
And then here's what's going to happen. They're going to sell it on the repo lot. You owe 21 with all the fees. They're going to sell it for 14,000. Okay? That's going to be 6 months from now, maybe. And then they're going to come knocking on the door, not literally, but they're going to send you notes and start threatening you that you owe them the difference. It's called the deficit, 21 minus whatever they sell it for. Let's call it 14, so you owe them 7.
Oh, wait.
Okay? When they do that, they will settle that for about 20 cents on the dollar. So you probably could settle that old bad debt, the deficit on the repo, for somewhere around $1,500 when it comes to you.
Okay.
I'm not going to be far off. It might be 1,000, it might be 2,000, but it's somewhere in that range. It's not. You're not going to owe them $10,000. They're going to come at you for $7,000 to $10,000, but you can settle that for pennies on the dollar. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, I understand.
But in the meantime, obviously, and that's probably going to be a year before you hear from them on that.
Okay.
So we're going to put that repo, as nasty as it is, in the back of your mind and try to get to work and get your current life straightened out as fast as you possibly can here. I think that's what's going to matter, is what Jade said. And because the way you feel about yourself and the sense of desperation, the knot in your stomach and knot in your throat, up in there, man, it's no fun. It's terrorizing. Terrifying. And so, yeah, I want you to get some cash coming in that place, then go get you a little beat-up car that's reliable and get your life started back, and then pile up some cash to get ready for when they come at you later on this. This is the Ramsey Show. Everyone needs ID theft protection. It doesn't matter your age, how much money you have, or where you live. Once you're a victim, and it's likely to happen to all of us at some point, your personal and financial reputation gets ripped to shreds, and it's a nightmare to clean up. Having the right protection and not wasting money are key, and that's what Sanders ID Theft Protection Plan is all about. They bundle together the services you need at pricing that can't be beat, with monitoring that includes your home title, VPN encryption, unlimited recovery services, and even stolen funds protection. You're getting a great value and dealing with people you can trust. I could go on, but you can see for yourself. Go to Xander.com or call 800-356-4282 and get the protection you need. Whether you're ditching an overpriced plan or getting protected for the first time, Xander's team are the only people I trust and recommend.
Hey guys, it's Rachel Cruz, here to tell you about a faith-based alternative to health insurance, Christian Healthcare Ministries. CHM allows members to share each other's healthcare costs, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, choose the healthcare provider you want. Step 2, submit your eligible bills. And Step 3, get reimbursed. CHM members take care of your eligible medical bills. Find out more at chministries.org/budget. That's chministries.org/budget.
Guys, the real estate market is weird right now. So go with a mortgage company you can trust. Churchill Mortgage. Churchill is Ramsey trusted because they're reliable and focused on you. They've been doing things the right way for over 30 years, and they'll keep doing them the right way for 30 more. Learn more at churchillmortgage.com.
This is a paid advertisement. In MLS ID 1591 and MLSConsumerAccess.org. Equal housing lender. 1749 Mallory Lane, Suite 100, Brentwood, Tennessee 37027.
Are you a business owner ready to embark on the next chapter of your business journey? Selling your business is not just a culmination of your hard work, but can also be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. I'd like to introduce my brand new book called The Entrepreneur's Exit Strategy, because this book can reshape your future. Hi, I'm David Hollander, CEO and founder of the Liberty Group and host of Protect Your Assets. Imagine planning a path toward a comfortable and rewarding retirement, leveraging your entrepreneurial success for a brighter future. And right now, I'm giving away my brand new book for free to anyone who calls this number, 866-PROTECT. If you need a structured approach to exiting your business, this book is for you. Business owners, find out what you don't know. 866-PROTECT. That's 866-PROTECT for your free copy.
Bill and Kathleen from American Vision Windows have been revolutionizing the home improvement industry one customer at a time. And beautiful custom wood windows are no exception.
I am, once again now, 23 years later, very energized about what we sell.
Those installers, the 15 to 20 years of experience that come to your house, they want to delight the customer, and it's a white glove treatment.
Get new bespoke wood windows at unmatched quality, speed, and price. With thousands of 5-star reviews, our commitment to quality isn't just promised, it's proven. From vinyl to aluminum, we bring the same level of quality and experience to all of our window projects. And get no payments and no interest for 18 months. Let's elevate your home together. Your vision, our mission. Call 855-339-9956 or visit AmericanVisionWindows.com. For all offers, call or see website for details. On approved credit offer expires 4/30/2024. CSW number 778326.
Now, more of the Ramsey Show on Talk Radio 560 KSFO.
Warshaw Ramsey Personality is my co-host today. Thank you for joining us, America. We're glad you are here. Open phones at 888-825-5225. Jay is with us in New York City. Hi, Jay. How are you?
Hi, Jay. Hi, Dave. Hi, Jade. How you doing?
Good.
Good, man. Good to have you. How can we help?
Well, so I'll just give you a little background story. I'm like more than 4 years removed from college, graduated with an engineering degree, working out here in New York as a GC. And yeah, I moved out my parents' house, mainly because of taking your advice, you know, wanted to set out in the world and, you know, make sure, you know, I'm not freeloading. Right. So my question today is, in doing that, I don't know if I prematurely bought a property. I ended up buying a 1-bedroom a few years after renting my first place, and now I've been, you know, getting hit with increases on like maintenance and HOA payments, and just been hit with an assessment. And so I'm just wondering how I can cash flow this assessment that's kind of been set before me a couple days ago. The amount's like $16,000.
For what?
So I think in New York we're doing most buildings do like a local law 11, like facade restoration for like older buildings. I bought a pre-war, and so that's kind of what we owe like the contractor, I think, for the building does like $600,000, and they're saying our maintenance payments aren't enough to compensate that.
So before they hired the contractor, they did not get this approved by the HOA? Because, I mean, if you hire the contractor for money you don't have, and you're running the HOA, then you got to know that you're getting ready to slap the occupants with an assessment. You had no notice of this before now?
Yeah, so I mean, when I bought the place, I did my due diligence, tried to ask about, you know, the finances of the building, because it looked like this work was underway even when I bought it 2 years ago. And, you know, when I was in the process of doing that, I wasn't notified that this was like a potential.
I don't know what to do here.
And, you know,
what do I
read
do
the red
here?
flag. You know, I listen to your advice occasionally on like high HOAs, low HOAs, and I raised the red flags. It did seem pretty high, but, you know, kind of shopping around, it seemed
what do you make?
Lower end, 98,000.
What's the unit worth today?
Based off like the last Probably like 150.
Okay. What do you owe them?
I put like 25 down. I owe like 100,000.
So but you haven't actually looked at comparable sales lately. Where'd you get the 150?
I assumed based off what the actual value was when I got it 2 years ago.
Yeah, but that ain't gonna do with the value today. It could be worth 250 based on that. Yeah, you need to do some research to find out what they're actually to sell today. Alright. Because it sounds like it might be a good idea to sell it, because everything you've described about this has not been fun.
Yeah.
All I've heard, every mention of this was, oh, well, I probably bought something I shouldn't have bought. Well, it's a problem. Well, I thought there's a thing on the front end, and a bunch of HOA fee increases, and then they hit me with the assessment. And every single time, your voice is just talking about, your voice just sounds whipped. I mean, you sound like, God, man, this is awful. It's consuming a lot of your calories, isn't it?
It is. I've also been renovating the place, kind of getting it up to 21st century. Because I'm in the GC world, so I've been kind of using my resources there.
How much does it take to finish it? To get it ready to put on the market and sell it?
Well, I want to renovate the kitchen next, so...
No, I don't want you to renovate the kitchen next. Is it torn up right now?
No, I don't think she's working, is she? I don't think.
No.
Okay, so you can put it on the market today.
That's cap.
Yeah.
I don't know that.
What's wrong with selling?
I think, yeah.
There's a stipulation here, like when I sell it, there's like a flip tax, they like to call it, where I think a certain percentage of the sale goes back to the building.
Don't tell me to get drunk.
I would say
I think the drunk one's working.
40% is in my head.
I think that's Susie that's working. Yeah, the drunk one. Fuck. I don't like her. Yeah, it smells. When she walks by, she fucking smells like it. Drinks all the time. I don't know how she has a job when she doesn't even fucking